Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download a license file from Envato Elements. This is essential when you need proof of licensing for any asset you've downloaded, whether for client work or your own projects. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to elements.envato.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account dashboard where all your downloaded assets are stored. After logging in, look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Downloads. This section contains a complete history of everything you've downloaded from Envato Elements, making it easy to track and manage your assets. Now, if you've recently downloaded a free monthly file or template, that's perfectly fine. The process remains exactly the same regardless of whether it's a free or premium download. All your assets will be listed in this section. Take a moment to browse through the list of downloaded items until you locate the specific asset you need the license file for. This might take a bit of scrolling depending on how many files you've downloaded, but each item is clearly displayed with its thumbnail and title, making it easier to identify what you're looking for. Once you've found the correct asset, look right beside it where you'll see an option that says View Licenses. Click on that. This will open up the licensing information specifically tied to that particular download, confirming your rights to use the asset. On the licensing page, you'll notice a button labeled Download License. Go ahead and click it. This triggers the download process for your license certificate, which is a PDF document that serves as official proof of your licensing rights for that asset. Your browser will likely prompt you with a dialog box asking where you'd like to save the file. Choose a folder that makes sense for your workflow, such as downloads, or perhaps a dedicated project folder if you're organizing files for a specific client. Once you've selected the destination, click Save, and the license file will be stored on your computer. And that's it. You now have your official license certificate downloaded and ready to use whenever you need to provide proof of licensing. This document is important for maintaining compliance and professionalism in your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.